Sinenya khubora basa akhulwefe basunandi ne mukhamanyile tawe omundu bali mudomba yuno sarigogonize efe babukusuta kera ngali niyo mwami we bakiso esafari yeyo khukhwicha munaye bele safari ye khubole goodbye sebele safari ye khukhwicha akhayile lundi khubwami abola ali niyo mwami ta none fwe mudomba khwalimile khuli bukora bwewe khwabumanyile nese khumurigogonize ngo omwami wefwe ta mala khwamulobile nasima arame bukande yeyo mala arure mu office sikila na kharure mota bandu balamurusia khubela bise byewe byawe.
I urge my Babukusu in Kenya to remain united for our unified future. I've also told them that politics should not divide us. We should ensure that we come back together and we address the issues, the challenges facing our communities. Politics does not bring food on the plate. We must forge ahead as a community.
Now, akisema yeye ni leader wa Bukuka bwe Bakisu, sisi wa Bukusu anatuacha wapi ambao si Bakisu lakini sisi ni Bamasaba? Where does he leave us? Hii inaonyesha kwamba Mdomba has an agenda. Sisi kama Bamasaba eti yangi iyo Masaba, our cultural beliefs cannot be discussed on TikTok, cannot be discussed on Facebook. Mdomba has become a TikToker. He has become a drama king. Kila vitu anataka vikuwe Facebook. Like his recent visit ya leo ambaye amefanya hapa Kenya, this visit was meant specifically for Mdomba to come and say goodbye. But also we did not want him to come and say goodbye because when he was legally in office, he never visited Kenya. Alipoona kwamba wakati wake unafika mwisho, akaanza kufanya siasa na our cultural institution. Sasa hivi muda wake umeisha, na baada ya kuisha, mimi ninapenda kuomba Mheshimiwa Mdoma kwamba kwa sababu ya heshima ya culture yetu awache kufanya siasa na cultural institution ya Bamasaba. Jambo la kwanza, Bakisu ni Bamasaba, lakini sio Bamasaba wote ni Bakisu. Kuna Bakisu ambao ni Wabukusu wako Kenya, kuna Bamasaba ambao ni Wabukusu wako Kenya, na kuna Bakisu ambao wako Uganda. Huko Uganda sisi wote kwa pamoja, kuna nyumba ya Mwambu, kuna nyumba ya Wanale, kuna nyumba ya Muhuya. So leadership imekuwa katika nyumba ya Mwambu ambao ni Bakisu. Hiyo ndio iliyoleta Mdoma katika kiti, na hiki kiti kiko rotational, na wakati wa nyumba ya Mwambu umeisha. So kwa sababu Mdoma anataka kukalia kiti hiki milele, akaenda kubadilisha the cultural institution from the name Bamasaba to Bakisu. He created kile kitu ambacho kinaitwa Bukuka bwe Bakisu.